Let A, B, and C be the angles of any triangle. For each of the following values of A and B, find the value or the measure of angle C. We will write the triangle here. Draw the triangle. So it's any triangle, so it doesn't said or it doesn't mention that it is a right triangle. So say this is A, B, and C. So from the theorem that the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So the measure of angle C, angle A, plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C, so their total is equal to 180 degrees. The total sum or the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So we will find the measure of angle C. So angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus the measure of angle B minus the measure of angle A. So whatever the value of this A and B from here. So we will solve this one. So our angle C in letter A is equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees minus 47 degrees, which is equal to 23 degrees. So letter B, when your angle A is 120 and your angle B is 30 degrees. So the measure of angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees minus 30 degrees, which is equal to 30 degrees. And letter C, so our angle C here is equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees minus 60 degrees is equal to 50 degrees. And lastly, letter D, the measure of angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 54 degrees, so equal to 36 degrees. So this is the answer, or these are the answer for these exercises. Thank you.